In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopify platform effectively, with a focus on efficiently managing your products. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your internet browser and head over to the Shopify homepage by visiting your Shopify store's URL. This, most of the time, will be your store's name followed by myshopify.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's designed to give you all the necessary tools at your fingertips, making the management of your online store as smooth as possible. Once you're comfortable, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find various menu options. Among these options, click on Products. This step is straightforward, but it's vital for managing your store inventory. By doing this, you'll be taken to the Products section where all items in your store are listed. It's essential to note that in this area, you can view and manage all your products, ensuring your stock levels are accurate and your listings are up to date. Now you'll want to click on All Products. Doing so will provide you with a comprehensive view of everything you have available in your shop. In this view, you can access crucial details about each item, including stock levels, SKU numbers, and sales data. This section acts as a central hub for product management, giving you full control over your inventory. Proper management here directly contributes to a smooth operational flow within your business. The next move is to click on Bulk Edit. If you have multiple products that need the same update, this function will save you a lot of time. By using Bulk Edit, you can apply changes to several items simultaneously, whether you need to adjust prices, update stock levels, or modify product descriptions. This tool is a game changer for maintaining efficiency, especially in a fast-paced retail environment. In the Bulk Edit mode, you'll find the Base Price column. Clicking on it allows you to make pricing adjustments across your product range efficiently. This feature is particularly helpful during sales periods or when you need to implement price changes due to supplier cost increases. Ensuring your prices are competitive yet profitable is a delicate balance, and the Bulk Edit function provides the flexibility needed to manage this aspect seamlessly. To wrap up, these steps provide a streamlined way to manage your Shopify store's products. Remember, a well-organized product catalog contributes significantly to improving customer satisfaction and sales potential. With these tools at your disposal, your store is well-positioned for success. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.